Yeah, this is the cool in your jets. Out here in Gilbert, Arizona, I got me a package. I'm talking my son into opening it for me. He'd probably want to use it too, right? Huh? Oh, you don't know what it is, right?
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Well, let's see. Oh my God, it's made in China! Made in China! I'm gonna catch hell for that. Made in China, Paul.
Oh no.
Oh no. We're using Phillips, one of his old tools. It's a what? McDonald's, what is that thing there? No, it come from Wendy's. Let me zoom in on it so people can see it. Here, hold it up here.
I don't know, it's a PHC.
Hang on. Oh, it's got a plastic thing.
Oh, you don't cut yourself.
Over the blade so you don't cut yourself. All right. Well, we need some youthful vigor in my videos because it's just mostly about all my old rundown, dilapidated bullshit. Just rip the box apart.
Trying not to break the box because you like to keep them.
Wally World. Wally World. That's where I got it. Well, I ordered it at Wally World. You can see on the box it didn't come from Wally World. Who would know? Nowadays you can buy all kinds of stuff from Walmart. Walmart. When I was younger, I had a girlfriend that had a sister, had a son that was about 5, 6, he might have been 7 years old. He always called Walmart Walmart. That go to Walmart. That go to Walmart. And we end up, that go to Walmart. Anyway, okay. 4x8. Exercise mat. Aerobic mat, whatever, yoga mat. What I plan on doing is trying to do some crunches and stuff. I've been working on my upper body strength and working on some other stuff and all that. So, trying to trim down, if that's what you want to call it. That's what I'm calling it.
This is pretty good. This is the stuff that they put up against like the wall in our school.
Yeah. So, did it have your stamp of approval since you like exercise stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, tell everybody on YouTube goodbye, and I'm signing off. Thanks.
Bye. This is cool in your jets.
This is cool in cool in their jets.
Yeah, we're cool in their jets.
All right. Later, guys. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment. But remember one thing. Always have a good day.